Now we have created our inputs and our titles for the inputs, but we need to make the user that have filled all the inputs that we have created to be registered to our database. So that user can have an account in our app. So what should we do? The first step is to open the visual elements and then pick the button type, the button. So that's the element that we will be using. So they can click that button, okay? And then rename this button to sign up, okay? The placeholder will be sign up or register. It's up to you. I'll just type sign up and then center horizontally. Now we can just double click that element, go to start or edit workflow, add action. You can now go to account, sign the user up. That will be the action that we will be doing. And then the email is the email that we want to register. So the user that wants to register's email. So that will be the input emails value. So the email of the user is the email that that specific user typed in the input that we have created for the email. This one. And then the password for that user's account is the input passwords value. That's why we need to rename our inputs so we will not get confused. Name, email, password, okay? Then go back to the workflow tab. You need to change another field or add another field. Add the name and then input names value. Okay, now we have registered that user's email, password, and name. Now we're just going to add a new page and then we're going to do set up profile. Just leave the clone from what blank and then create. We're just going to make them fill out the fields like about and then more. So change it to 950. Then add a text. This will be H1 heading dark, okay? H1 heading dark, dark, and then change it to the name of this page, and that will be set up profile. And then two, text. We're going to add a text, and then type about, where they will tell us about themselves. So multi-line input. And what is the difference between a multi-line input and an input? Well, a multi-line input makes the users that will type their about or anything inside that input, and they can type more than one line of text. So they can write, for example, essay and something, for example, they want to describe like that. So they can enter. So here we're going to add the placeholder as right, type here. Just type here.